Guys, I just got these in today, and they're the elastic bandages by Fresinider. Comes in a pack of 4, if you can see them right there. Really nice. I really needed them because when I work out, my wrists tend to swell up, and it's, I guess, a edema, or I just work out too hard. But right here, a pack of 4. These are the little 4-inch ones. Comes with the little tabs on them, as you can see. Really nice. But these things work really nice. They give me my wrist the support. As you can see, I'll wrap it up. As I wrap it up there nicely, hold your thumb in there. It's the support I need. And I still can work out and do the things that I need to do. I mean, it's definitely the way to go. I mean, look at that. Nice support in there. It's perfect. Once you get it all wrapped up, comes with the little tabbies. These little tabbies are wonderful because they can hold it just right where you want it. See that grip sitting there nice? Look at that. I still got my grip there. So I usually keep 2 of them right there because it comes with 3. But 2 is usually all I need. And I can put that in and look, I can grip. I got that nice wrist support, like when I'm doing my curls or something like that. It's perfect. And even if I put some more on, it's just really nice. But it's got that support. And that's what you want when you're working out. So these elastic bandages are really nice, and they clean up well too. So it's Fresinider, nice. I'll just show you the box right there, and you get 4 of them. So that's it. I keep 2 in my workout bag, and I keep 2 at the house just in case. But all I need is one good one. One good one is great.